Class called string is having many instance methods, n number of instance methods were there. Okay, one among that method we are discussing intern method. Okay, we are talking about intern method. Okay, now this intern method, let it be some return type. What is that? Intern, getting intern, having some implementation, returning a string object, getting returning string object will available with object or not. Observe, instance method is available here, it is available at object during runtime. That's why a.m9 is valid method call. Just m9 is what? Invalid call. Okay, so it will get associate here. I will use this knowledge. Okay, there, observe. Even at this object, that method implementation will be available. Okay, will be available. Okay, having some implementation. Not only intern method, all instance methods will be available. Who will maintain our JVM? JVM is powerful algorithm, guys. Okay, it is also set of instructions only, getting powerful algorithm, our JVM. Okay, now observe here. Okay, now so because of that representation, this one happened at memory. Now this S value is how much? 936A, 936A. This person is having this entire block address or reference or identity. From this person I can reach this area. So let me put one arrow mark. Okay, now observe here S dot intern, getting S dot intern. Mister, you have written directly S dot intern without telling the exact nature of this intern. Observe here with picture, with good picture we are going. Observe this intern method having some implementation here and also here. Okay, what is that implementation? Observe, it will return, getting it will return the reference value. What is reference value? This one, this is called as reference, right? Observe here also I have here also I mentioned this is what? A reference value. Okay, a reference value. It will return a reference value of exact, observe here, reference value of exact object of heap. Reference value, if you are getting, take this off, reference value related to, okay, reference value related to exact object of heap, getting related to exact object, getting exact object of heap. Reference, getting, observe here it is not returning this one, I am telling reference value, it is dash. Okay, reference value related to, getting related to exact object of heap, getting available at SCP. That's it. Observe here, exact object of heap available at SCP area, at buffer area. It will return one reference value, getting of exact object, getting of exact object, getting, or else reference value related to exact object, getting of heap available at SCP area. Observe here, exact object means it is just, observe here, exact object means object having same data, getting same data. A reference value related to exact object of heap, getting exact heap object. If you are getting confused, put this heap in front of object, getting exact exact object available at SCP. Here exact means what? Object having same data, that is the meaning. Getting? Observe here. Yes object is which one? Yes object means which one, friends? Yes object means what? S object means this object. Getting? S object means this object. You're calling S dot intern. Is it a valid call first of all? Yes. Yes object is having intern method implementation. That intern method is having logic to do what? It will return a reference value related to exact heap object. Getting? Related to exact heap object available at SCP. Related to exact object means what? Same data. Getting? Exact object means same data. Observe here. Reference value. Observe here. It will return something, some X number to me. Which X number? Observe here. It will return a reference value. It should return a reference value. How many objects available here? 2 objects and 2 reference values. This one 936A, 1A. 2 objects, 2 reference values. Now, which reference value it will return? Simple thing. Observe. Related to exact heap object available at SCP area. We are sure that you are telling that available at SCP. Okay, we jumped from this area to this one. We are much sure about it will not return this heap area object. It will return what? Available at SCP area. So you will return an object reference value which is available at SCP area. Mr. Cool, 1 second. Okay, what is the case if you are having n number of objects? What is the case if you are having n number of objects? Then we are having some issue. That's why observe here, related to heap object available at SCP area. That's why I used one word here, exact. Getting? Exact means what? Same data. Getting? It will return. It will return what? A reference value related to exact heap object available at SCP area. Think that it is having Anil. Getting? It is having Raju. It is having Nani. Getting? So now internal method, S dot internal method. It is returning what? This S is available where? Available at heap area. Getting? It will return a reference value related to heap object. Getting? Exact heap object available at SCP areas. Please try to use the brain. Okay, reference value related to heap, exact heap object available at SCP area. Reference value of this object it will return. Observe my terminology, everything very important. Okay, some tricky thing is that we are jumping. This related will make us to get confused here. Try to observe that one. Okay, here related to means you are talking about this SCP memory area. Getting? Related to heap object, exact heap object available at SCP area. Exact means same data. What is S object data? Mohandu. And what is this 1A reference value object? Mohandu. Now this method is returning what? It is returning string. Returning string means what? It is returning string object reference value. Getting? Now it is returning one reference value. Let me copy or hold that one with S1 variable value. Okay, S1 variable value. Okay, now if you do check, I mean, yes mister, it is returning 1A. So what happens here at memory? You are having an extra reference, I mean not extra reference, one variable Observe here, intern method is returning what? Reference value related to exact heap object available at SCP area. Getting reference value related to exact heap object available at SCP area. Getting, we are having only one what we call that hurdle. This related will always point this SCP area object. Okay, observe. Okay, now exact data must be available within the both objects, and it will always return SCP object reference value only, but not this object, friends. Okay, now it is returning 1A, getting 1A. That one I am copying to S1. So let it be here 1A. 1A both are same. Being at this position, I can reach this address. From this person, I can reach that location. Okay. Now observe here. Mister, you are writing all of these things. How to check whether it has created or not? Okay. How to check whether it is created or not? Simple thing. If you take here SOP of s dot hash code double equals to s1 dot hash code. Okay, what will be the answer? Means true. Getting, what will be the answer? Means true. Observe, this is very specific thing. This hash code approximate integer value of address is what? Our hash code. Who generated this hash code? Our object class hash code method generated this hash code. What happened within the string class? One important thing we have come across that one. Just you require that knowledge. Okay, just a little thing. Hash code method is overridden within the string class. Okay, public int hash code method. They have overridden hash code method and also equals method. What? To avoid duplicates. Okay, let it be. Thing is, they have overridden hash code method within string class. Okay, now observe here s dot hash code. Okay, s dot hash code. What happens because of this one? What this hash code implementation? What is string class hash code implementation? If I mean not if, observe here, two objects, getting two objects, or else let me go on this one. Okay, yes, okay, simple thing. Observe here. Okay, hash code method available where? Within string class. Meaning is what? Even hash code also will have, will be available within this object. It is must, it will be available. Getting hash code having some written type. Okay, now observe what is the implementation here. Okay, hash code method implementation is depending upon string object data. Getting string object data. Think that what is that? This implementation depending on object data. Now yes object data is what? Mohandu. Think that it is returning here some 99. Getting? Now this s1 object hash code method will return what? Observe here, same hash code depending on what? Same implementation of hash code method. This method having implementation related to object data. Getting? Now this method will get associated here, and also the same copy of hash code method will be available here. Observe this part. A1 equals to new A. Observe here, public void M9 having separate copy with this A object. A1 getting and A dot M9, A1 dot M9 separate copy is available, right? Like that. Also here, I mean in that same fashion, hash code method implementation will available with this S object and also with this S1 object. Hash code method copy will be available with both the objects. Now observe here this. So here also you'll have the implementation as what? Returning a value depending on object data, depending on object data. Now return something. Okay, now this method having implementation as what? Returning having implementation depending on what? Object data. Think that it is returning 99. It has done some conversions and it is returning 99. Now come to this one, S1 dot hash code. What is the implementation here? Implementation depending on object data. What is the data here? HANDU, MOHANDU, both are same. So here also it will return what? 99 because of some conversions. Now it will return true or false? 9999. Both are equal or not? Yes, both are equal. Yes, mister. How to check whether these two objects are different? Okay, observe here. Okay, so please don't go with hash codes. Okay, please don't go with hash codes. Okay, I hope you get this one. Now and observe here. Okay, now observe here. SOP of A double equals to A1. Okay, now what is A referring value, or else not this one? Observe here, int I equals to 9. Okay, int I1 equals to 9. Okay, what is I value? 9. What is I1 value? 9. At memory, how it is going to save? Observe here. Okay, what is this? I is having value as what? 9. I1 is having value as what? 9. Okay, now SOP of, okay, SOP of I double equals to I1. Okay, observe friends. Okay, I double equals to I1. Okay, this is the memory thing. Okay, what is I value at memory? 9. What is I1 value? 9. Does both the integer values are same? Yes, both are same. So it will return what? True to us. Okay, now please be calm, cool. Observe here. Okay, int I equals to 9, I1 equals to 9. Memory storage will be in this way. So I double equals to I1 means what happens? It will compare I related value and I1 related value. So it will return what? True to us. Yes, done. Now observe here, SOP of A. What is A value? 9F. Okay, 9F. What is A1 value? 99F, friends. Okay, this is what? 99F. Okay, 99F. Both are same? No. Getting? So what will return to us? False. Getting? So it gives the sense to us both are same objects but different objects stored at different memory locations. Getting? At different memory locations. Same thing observe here. So with this we cannot prove both are different objects. Getting? We are assuming this S1 and S are same objects. We know technically, as a technical programmer, both are different objects, but we have to prove that one to the non-technical person. Observe. So I am going to take SOP of S double equals to S1. What is S value, friends? 936A. Okay, 936A. What is S1 value? 1a. Does both same? No. Getting? Does both? Both are same? No. So it will return what? False to us. False means what? Different objects of same type stored at different memory location. So this is the proof to us to tell both are different objects. Okay, why I am explaining this one means we are having one more small twist in this intern method, very important interview question. Okay, observe here. Okay, so because of this one, what happens here? We can tell both are different objects of same type. Okay, now observe here. Now observe this part. Okay, observe this part. Okay, simple thing, observe. S is available where? At heap area. S object available at heap area. Internal method is having logic as what? It will return a reference value of object. Getting? Of object. Which object? Exact heap object available at SCP. It will return a reference value of SCP object such that this SCP object data and heap object data must be same. Then only it will return. Getting? It will return what? A reference value of an object. An object available at SCP area. Getting? Such that both the objects data, that is heap object data and SCP object data must be same. That is the meaning here. Reference value related to exact heap object available at SCP area. Getting? Tricky thing, try to understand with memory representation so that it will be dead simple. Okay, now Mr. just take this one. What is that? String S2 equals to Raju. Getting? Raju. Now what happens at memory? Yes friends, observe what happens at memory. This is what? Heap, and this is what? Buffer area. Getting? Buffer area for string. Whenever JVM encounters this statement and whenever it looks at Raju, it will take what? That Raju as a literal, and it will check with all the objects data available at CP area. This is the continuation for this one, friends. Okay, now it will come here. It will check with object data whether this Raju literal and this object data is exact or not. If it is same, what it will do? It will reuse, because no duplicates available at SCP area. Getting? Duplicates are not allowed, friends. Okay, not allowed here. Okay, now this object data is different and this literal value is different. Getting? So it will create what? A new object with the data as what? Raju. Getting? It will have a different address. Let it be 0018, and it will have approximate integer value of this address as hash code. Let it be 77227. Now this address or this address or this hash code approximate hexadecimal string value is our what? Reference value. Let it be that reference as 2a. Getting? Let it be that reference as what? 2a, and that one will be assigned to whom? Variable s2. Till here I hope no doubts. Okay, now s2 is a variable having data as what? 2a. Getting? This 2a same. Now observe here, it can refer this object. From this person you can reach this area. Now, which type object it is? String class object. Getting string type. Within string class, like this. Within a class, you are having instance method m9. Getting? So even this instance method will be available with object. Okay. Now within this string object, you have what? Intern method logic. Intern method implementation. There will be one copy of intern method with this s2 object. Okay, with this s2 object friends. Okay, with this s2 object. Now what happens here? Observe here, s2 dot intern. Getting? s2 dot intern. Hello mister, what happens because of this statement? Getting? What happens because of this statement? Okay, now observe here. Do we have that object s2 here? Do we have that object s2 here? Yes, it is available. Okay,